The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello, everyone. Pretty dry and calm right now. There are little tiny pieces of sprinkles off towards our west, but we're going to stay pretty dry for a while considering our only system anywhere near us is pretty far up towards the north and east. Now, looking further off towards the west, there are some showers up in the Pacific Northwest, and that's about it. There's nothing really developing quite yet, so we're kind of staying in the clear right this minute. Temperature-wise, we're able to do a nice job warming up for tomorrow, and there's a lot of ingredients that are like this that set us up pretty nicely. If you're headed out in the NRV or Highlands, temperatures will climb into the 60s. Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside, we're all making it up to the mid-60s. So that's pretty nice on its own, well above average for February, even as we get a little bit closer to March. The averages right now are in the low 50s. On top of that, winds are going to stay pretty calm, so that's not going to bug you too much. It is bringing in some warmer air since it's coming from the southwest, but staying under 10 miles per hour, no real gusts to deal with. On the future tracker, Sunday stays pretty nice as we roll into Monday as well. Not too much in terms of showers, even as we get towards tomorrow morning, which I think is kind of Monday's best chance. They're going to stay pretty light, mostly along our southern border. Kind of sprinkles here and there. Honestly, I think the future tracker is bringing in a little bit more moisture than what we actually end up with. We dry out that night, and then Tuesday morning, there's another round that comes through. That one might bring a little bit more consistent rain through Tuesday morning, leading to some drier weather as we get towards Tuesday evening. Now, at the same point, further towards the northwest, there's some storms in Illinois and Indiana. But our next chance of more consistent rainfall is as that front gets here later on Wednesday. Just know that through Wednesday morning, we've got pretty calm conditions there. So it really takes a while for it to develop. Storm chances are low Sunday, Monday, and on into Tuesday for us. But again, like I was saying, Illinois, Indiana, they're looking at a level 2 risk of storms developing there. As that gets a little bit further towards the southeast on Wednesday, I would expect that level 2 to get closer to us, but right this minute, a lot of the forces that were kind of going on earlier, I don't think are going to turn into the same amount of storms. We're just kind of looking at showers with that one. Wednesday does look to be our rainiest day ahead, but even behind that, we still have some showers left over on Friday, and we could get some more through the weekend. So we don't really have a nice dry stretch. If you need a dry day, Thursday is your best chance, but none of them are looking particularly great for that. And even beyond the end of next week, in the next 6 to 10 days, there's plenty of moisture throughout a lot of the country, and for us, we're going to be slightly above average. So expect some rainy days as we get into the start of March. Tonight, a lot of us fall back down into the 30s with Blacksburg at 33, Danville at 36, and Bedford at 36. That's warmer than we were last night, setting us up for a pretty consistent warm-up on Monday. Most of our temperatures should get to the 60s there. Pulaski at 61, Alta Vista at 64. Even the 50s that we have aren't that on the chilly side. Hot Springs at 52 and Wytheville at 58. And then a lot of us are able to warm up pretty nicely on Tuesday. Now, those temperatures could even be a little bit cooler in some spots because of the showers that we have kind of in the early part of the day and then maybe some coming in later on. There is lots of differing data with this particular system, but I'm putting pretty good chances on there just being showers at some point on Tuesday. Kind of be prepared for it to be a gray, gross, rainy day throughout. Pulaski gets to 60, Lexington gets to 60, and Danville gets up to 64. Now, on the extended forecast, temperatures are actually going to warm up a little bit more on Wednesday before that next cold front comes through. Like I was saying earlier on, I was thinking isolated storms. At this point, I think it's more just going to stay showers with some rumbles of thunder. We still have some showers left over for Friday with much cooler weather behind it.